Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to install Python in Windows 10. So we'll go to browser. We will write install Python. Now go to python.org. Click on downloads, and here you will see the latest version of the Python. Please just simply click on this, and now it's get downloaded. You have to click on the setup. Now you have to select this add Python 3.92 path. Click on customize installation. All options are checked. Click on next. Click install for all users. Click on download debugging symbols, download debug binaries. Now click on install. This will install your Python on your machine in Windows 10. So once the installation gets completed, you will see this box. Setup was successful. Click on close. Now we have to verify that if Python is installed or not. So you have to go to Explorer, go to C drive, program files, and here you can see Python 3.9. If you double click, you will see all the files of Python inside this folder. So we can also verify how we install this Python. Is it installed or not? So we will go to command prompt, open it, just type py-version. You can see the exact latest version of the Python that you just installed in your machine. Now run a simple program to see if it is really installed or not. We'll write py. I'll write a simple print command. Hello, this is demo. Okay. So you can see Python is working fine. Thank you everyone.